Hello, everyone. It's Mrs. Notzel. I was just wanting to read aloud the quiz for today. Today we are taking lesson 25 quiz over volume. Now, I want you guys to remember that volume is the amount of space inside a figure, and volume is done in cubic and then cubic units. So whether it's inches or feet or meters or centimeters or whatever it may be, it's always done in cubic. So because you're multiplying three numbers, you're taking the volume is the length times the width times the height. Okay. And if you know the volume and you know two of the other side lengths, then you multiply those two side lengths and then you divide the total volume by that number to get the other side length. All right, so number one, the volume of a rectangular box is 1,058 cubic inches. The box has a height of 11 and 5/10 inches and a length of 16 inches. What is the width of the box? So like I was just saying, you know the total volume, you know the height is 11 and a half, and you know the length is 16. You multiply those two numbers together, and then you divide 1,058 by that to get the other side. You have to be able to you have to know your multiplication facts. But there's also a multiplication chart on my teacher page on the Michigan City Area Schools website if you need it. Your answer choices are 184 inches, 92 inches, 66 and 125 thousandths inches, or 5 and 75 hundredths inches. Number two, check all of the answers that are true. Sophie has a box filled with trail mix. The box has a length of 10 and a half inches, width of 4.5 inches, and height of 8 inches. The box does not fit in Sophie's cupboard, so she decides to place all of the trail mix into smaller boxes that will fit. Determine which set of boxes Sophie can use to hold all the trail mix. The first choice, 3 boxes with dimensions 6 1/4 inches by 3 1/4 inches by 6 inches. The second one, 2 boxes with dimensions 8 3/4 inches by 5 1/4 inches by 9 inches. 4 boxes with dimensions 7 1/4 inches by 2 1/4 inches by 6 inches. The next one, 6 boxes with dimensions 4 1/4 inches by 3 3/4 inches by 2 inches. And the last one, 5 boxes with dimensions 6 1/2 inches by 2 1/2 inches by 5 inches. So I need for you to figure out which one of those will fit the trail mix, okay? Because the box does not fit into her cabinet. So she needs to know which one of these will fit in, and you mark all of the answers that are true. Now remember, when you're multiplying fractions, you have to take these mixed numbers and turn them into improper fractions. And then when you multiply fractions, you multiply straight across. And whole numbers automatically have a denominator of 1. So you can multiply all 3 of these together, and then you probably and then you can always multiply them by the number of boxes to figure out how much it is. Number 3, which of the following answers could be dimensions of the box? A large moving box has a volume of 45 cubic meters. The width of the box is 1.5 meters. The length and the height of the box are each whole number measurements that are greater than 2 meters. What could be the dimensions of the box? The first one says 15 meters by 2 meters by 1.5 meters, 30 meters by 1 meter by 1.5 meters, 6 meters by 5 meters by 1.5 meters, or 10 meters by 3 meters by 1.5 meters. So which of the following answers could be dimensions of the box? There can be more than one answer for this problem. And the last one. In your answer, tell me which box is large, medium, or small according to their volumes. Number 4, Andrew has 3 gift boxes with different volumes. He wants to label them large, medium, and small based on their volumes. Write the appropriate label, large, medium, or small, under each of the boxes. Okay, so for this box, 12 feet by 3.5 feet by 1 1/4 feet. This is box A. So in your answer, you're going to tell me whether box A is small, medium, or large. Then box B is 3/4 feet, 4 feet by 6 feet. Is box B large, medium, or small? And box C, 3 1/4 feet by 3 1/4 feet by 3 1/4 feet. So is box C large, medium, or small? And these are not drawn to scale. So don't look at them and think, oh, this one's medium, this one's large, this one. I mean, do not look at them based off of their size because they are not drawn to scale. You need to figure out the volume and then determine which one is large, medium, and small. Good luck. I know you guys are going to do great. If you have any questions, please let Miss Walker or myself know. Have a great day, guys, and we miss you all.